Welcome to the official YouTube channel of EITserve.com company. We fulfill your IT needs.
Kung bago ka sa aming channel, click like, share and subscribe, hit the notification bell and select all para updated ka sa mga bagong videos. Maraming salamat!
Welcome to EITserve. Today, pag-usapan natin about BitLocker. Ito ang madalas nating tanong. Meron bang libre na protection sa data in the storage to ensure na ikaw lang ang makaka-access in case of an event na mawala yung device mo or it was stolen? Yan ang pag-uusapan natin ngayon. Ano nga ba ang BitLocker? By definition, BitLocker Drive Encryption is a data protection feature that integrates with the operating system and addresses the threats of data theft or exposure from lost, stolen, or inappropriately decommissioned computers. It is important to understand the following BitLocker requirements before you implement BitLocker on your computer. First is operating system. In terms of the operating system, no additional software is required kasi ang BitLocker ay integrated na into the operating system. These are the Windows operating system versions na merong kasamang BitLocker: Windows Pro, Windows Education, Windows Enterprise. Second is partitions on the storage. Because pre-startup authentication and system integrity verification must take place on a partition other than the encrypted operating system drive, BitLocker requires that your computer has at least two partitions. One is the operating system partition. Second is a system partition that is at least 350 MB. This is where Windows store files needed to load Windows at boot. Next is a TPM chip. To properly secure Windows computer with BitLocker, Microsoft recommends you use TPM version 1.2 or later. If your computer does not have a TPM, enabling BitLocker requires that you save a startup key on a removable device such as USB flash drive. Now, let's do a step-by-step process on how to turn on and configure BitLocker on your computer. There are different ways on how to access or turn on BitLocker. Go to File Explorer. Right-click on your storage and turn on BitLocker. Or just go to your search button, then search BitLocker. Here you can see BitLocker Drive Encryption help protect your files and folders from unauthorized access by protecting your drives with BitLocker. All you have to do is just click Turn on BitLocker, and there will be a pop-up window. Okay. Dito, merong option choose how to unlock your drive at startup. To help keep your data more secure, you can have BitLocker prompt you to enter a PIN or insert a USB flash drive each time you start your PC. So these are the choices: enter PIN, insert a USB flash drive, or let BitLocker automatically unlock my drive. Let's select enter a PIN. You need to nominate a PIN here. Choose a PIN that's around 6 to 20 numbers long. There you go. Let's click set PIN. After that, there will be another option here. How do you want to back up your recovery key? This is very important. A recovery key can be used to access your files and folders if you're having problems unlocking your PC. It's a good idea to have more than one and keep each in a safe place other than your PC. Here are the options for you to back up your recovery. One is save to your Azure Active Directory account, save to a USB flash drive, save to file, or print the recovery key. Let's select print the recovery key. So here there is another option. Choose how much of your drive to encrypt. You have two options here. First, encrypt use disk space only. This is faster and best for new PCs and drives. The second option is encrypt entire drive, slower but best for PCs and drives already in use. Let's select encrypt entire drive. The next. Then, are you ready to encrypt this drive? By default, it's check run BitLocker system check. Click continue. Here there will be a message. The computer must be restarted. So you'll have an option to restart now or restart later. Let's click restart now. After restarting your computer, check again control panel, BitLocker. Then you will see there your storage BitLocker is on. That's it. Don't forget to click like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification button para updated ka sa lahat ng aming videos.